Hi and welcome back to AWE 2022. I'm here at the Panasonic Shift All booth, and here we're going to see the Megane X, right? Megane X. Okay, cool. Very cool. So, probably you can take them, or can you show them to us? Okay. Sorry.
This one is the latest one, the latest Megane X prototype. It has outside-in tracking system, bulb-based Steam VR-based tracking system put on there.
Oh yeah.
And then you can combine with any Steam VR, any valve tracking system controller, like valve index controller and also the Vibe controller.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Great. So, tell us a bit more about this, about the optics, probably.
Yeah, so quite difficult to show.
Yeah,
It's just a lens, but this one is the latest. The one, it's a whole new lens designed from the Panasonic.
Okay.
And
right.
it's pancake lens. It's very wide range and beautiful the picture lens.
Okay, great. So, how is the field of view when you wear this?
Feel is very lightweight. So
Field of view.
oh, FOV. FOV is not calculated correctly, but it's almost a little bit wider compared to the Quest 2.
Okay, wider than Quest 2. Take that, Meta. Yeah, tell us, when is this going to come to the market?
It's in this December.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, okay,
Just only
for
2
sure.
months.
Okay, only 2 months left.
Yeah. 2 months left, so it's big headache for me. I must be management the schedule and also the budget. So
Right. You are the CEO of the company.
yes.
Great. So, yeah. So in December, it's going to come out like in Japan and the States, or
Now we are planning to Japan and the States.
okay. And do you already know which versions are you going to sell with the lighthouse tracking?
Yeah,
or?
of course, with the lighthouse tracking. So that lighthouse tracking bar is included to the package.
Okay, cool. And do you already know a price?
Right? What?
Price.
Price is difficult to say today because now we are struggling with the bomb list and to finalize the cost. So
Okay. So you cannot tell us a price now.
yeah. Sorry.
But like around what is it going to be? Like thousand or above $1,000?
We are already announced about thousands in last CES, but every material cost is raising up within this year. So maybe
Okay, more than 1,000.
more than thousands.
Okay, yeah, okay, right. But what is so special about the Megane? Is it like the picture quality?
Picture quality is very, very clear and beautiful. It's because it's an OLED panel, 2 OLED panel built in, and also the supported the HDR, the picture color, and also the 5.2K for both eyes, the very high resolution.
Okay, can you tell us the resolution in horizontal by vertical? Like how many pixels does it have?
I forget the exact number. I'd like to show the brochure.
yeah, okay.
2005,
2,500. Okay.
25.
2,500, 600, 2,560.
And so,
Okay.
yeah.
Okay, cool. Yeah, so now I need to try it out.
Of course.
Yeah, okay, cool. Perfect. Let's try out the Megane X.
Okay, and then you can wear it.
Okay, first time.
Yes. And I'm gonna just much more raise up.
Oh yeah, okay, got it. Oh yeah.
Right.
Okay, great. And can I set up the my optics?
Yes, so you can find the knob like here, and both sides the knob can be slided. Like
Oh yeah. Oh yes.
and it's also the ones plus close left eye and just a right eye optics, and close right eye and just left eye.
Okay, all right. Yeah, this is
beautiful.
yeah, it's very clear. Absolutely, it is absolutely very clear. Can you tighten it a bit more?
Okay.
I want to get the maximum FOV. All right. Yes, it is. It is. It is. Yes, please.
Have a nice day.
It is indeed super clear. It is indeed, yeah, around Quest 2, probably is a bit bigger, probably, and. It's great that you can set up your own diopter. That is really cool. And what I can see right now, I can already tell that the colors are beautiful. The colors are simply OLED color beautiful, and the great thing is you do not have these color shifts that I saw in the Apara. So this is definitely not a problem here. So this is great. And yeah, great colors. Resolution wise, it is, I can tell that it's high. I can tell that we're looking at a super high resolution here. I also have yeah, some glare, right? Just like I have in the Pico, it's the same.
Yeah, because the glare is just for the prototype. Now we are fixing the glare.
Okay, you will still fix the glare. Okay.
Yeah, we have to change the filter.
Okay, but do you think you can fix the glare like for? Okay, of course, good. Great. Yeah, it's beautiful. It is cool. It's great to see an OLED panel finally. So the resolution is just right. This is exactly what I want to have. Like this high kind of resolution, the perfect blacks, beautiful colors. Okay, in the very edges, there is, yeah, a bit of warping in the very edges. But
we can fix the edge quality.
oh, also.
Yeah, the edge quality is depending the distance from the eye to the
Okay,
panel.
okay.
So we can change the eye cap a little bit from this prototype.
Yeah, all right. Okay, and also what's great, I don't have any kind of light leakage, zero. And it feels good. It's cool that they put it together in the back. So I'm just wearing it like glasses now, and that is nice. So the eye cups that they build are cool, are good, are really good. And now thanks to this being a lighthouse tracked headset, obviously we can use the Valve Index controllers to play all of our games. So what kind of refresh rate do we have here now? Hello? Anybody there?
Sorry. What is it?
What refresh rate do we use right now? 90.
Today's demo is 90, but this class maximum specification is 120.
Oh, you can do 120. Okay. Cool. Yeah, just imagine.
Today's laptop computer is
okay, yeah.
one, so.
But it's great. It's like yeah, perfect colors and no screen door effect. Yeah, tracking also works just like you would expect it to do. Yes. Nice. Yeah, I can't wait to have this in the MRTV headquarters. So, are you already mass producing this?
Not yet. We already bought every component, but now we finalize iCap and some other software.
But in December, for sure, you're going to sell this.
That is my
That's your goal. Okay.
Concern.
So, December 2023.
Every components in the software.
Okay. Yeah, great. Very nice to see that. This is probably the best micro OLED I've seen so far. Okay, now it's over the demo. It's black now. Okay, cool. Nice.
How do you feel?
Yeah, good. I feel good. Yeah, I feel great.
Thank you.
Yeah, very nice. So this is this is for sure, I think, the best micro OLED headset with pancake lenses that I've tried so far.
Thank you.
Yeah, also for the brightness, it's bright enough. Like with others that I tried, the brightness was not good enough, right? But here the brightness is great.
Yeah, quite good, right?
Yeah, cool. Perfect. Okay, so Megane X from Shift All, Panasonic subsidiary, and this is going to be available in December. He's going to make it. You're going to bring it. You're going to bring it to the world, right? So December 2022, available in the States and in Japan, and hopefully in Europe as well.
I hope so.
Okay, if you enjoyed this video, absolutely give it a thumbs up, and of course, if you've not yet subscribed to MRTV, absolutely Do that now, and I'm looking forward to see you in the next video. Bye bye.